The less you talk, the more you can listen. The more you can listen, the more you can learn. The more you learn, the more money you earn. So think about it. Even if you know that every time something that comes out of their mouth is a bunch of bullshit, try to stop and listen. You will be so much better for it. Stop speaking so much, start listening, and you will grow. You will flourish in this trade and in life. Because if you ever notice, the only times that you ever sound like a dumbass is when your mouth is open. Wise words of Nicholas. And if you hate people, you're going to have to do some work on yourself to figure out what you need to do to start liking them at least a little bit. Because in the machining world, as much as it is machining, it's also about people. At least until cyborgs take us out. That's kind of like half people. So, who really wins this conversation?